In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and connect HubSpot sales for Outlook from Microsoft App Source. We're going to walk through the full setup in a simple, practical way so you can get the integration working smoothly in your browser. This process connects Outlook and HubSpot, making it easier to manage emails and keep contact activity aligned across both platforms. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to the Microsoft App Source store. Once you're there, use the search bar to look for HubSpot Sales for Outlook. Be sure to select the correct result so you're installing the official integration. Taking a moment to confirm the app name helps avoid confusion, especially if similar tools appear in the search results. When you find the listing, click Get It Now. At this point, Microsoft will ask you to sign in with your Microsoft 365 account. Go ahead and log in using your work or school credentials. This step is necessary because the add-in needs permission to work inside your Outlook environment. If your organization manages Microsoft 365 Access, you may also see a standard approval or confirmation screen during the sign-in process. After the installation is complete, stay in Chrome and open Outlook on the web. Once Outlook web app loads, open any incoming email. It doesn't need to be anything special. Just choose a message that allows you to test whether the integration is active and visible. Inside the email window, look for the HubSpot icon. When you click it, the HubSpot integration panel will open. This panel is where Outlook and HubSpot begin interacting, and it's an important sign that the add-in was installed correctly. If you don't see it right away, give the page a moment to finish loading and make sure you're viewing the email in the full reading window. Next, follow the prompt to log in to your HubSpot account. Once you sign in, the connection is made and your emails and contacts can be linked right away. This allows HubSpot to recognize relevant communication and helps you work more efficiently without switching constantly between platforms. And that's it. By completing this setup in Chrome, installing the Outlook add-in from Microsoft App Source, opening an email in Outlook web app, and signing in to HubSpot through the panel, you've successfully connected the two services.